support for the day. I personally think that Bank Nifty, it could probably find a rejection from here, and from here it could more or less drop down. So that is when, like, once I get a bearish price action out over here, that is going to be the point where I'm actually going to initiate the sell positions. Okay, so that is the plan. Once again, I'll just mark it out over here. So what I'm thinking is, if Bank Nifty is to find a rejection from this point, okay, it could fall down. And what I'll be doing is, I'll be selling the 39,000 call option. And as a hedge for that, I'll be buying the 48,000. So in fact, rather than 40,000, you can even consider maybe 39,700 also. It's an extra 3 rupees, 2 rupees. So let's see if the rejection can be found. So post a good rejection from these levels, we'll just go short the 39K. If no rejection, then we can't take a trade, because the next significant level would be over here, and that won't be very tough for Bank Nifty to achieve. Okay. So for those who joined late, so what we are watching out for is something pretty simple. We are actually looking out to catch a rejection for Bank Nifty from these levels, that is the 38,400 marks. Okay, so if a rejection is coming from the 38,400 marks, we are going to sell the 39,000 call option and buy the 40,000 call option as a hedge. Okay, so if no rejection is coming in, then we shouldn't be taking a trade. Why? Because if the prices, in fact, if the price basically managed to break this particular level, that could drive an upside. That is what we are anticipating. So outside this range, below this range, that is what we want to check out for a short. Okay. So now what I'm basically going to do is, we'll wait for this rejection to take place. I think it'll take some time. So till then we'll wait. We won't create any positions. So once the rejection comes in, I'll just show you like how this order can be placed. So this thing can be executed. So is there anything you would like to ask? Any questions? Is there any questions you would like to ask?
Hi, Hari.
Yeah, hi Aniruddha.
Like, how many points will be captured?
Okay, so in this case, we are going to wait till the time of expiry. So it's not about how many points will be captured. So if you're selling something for 45.50 and you're collecting a credit of 40 rupees, 30 rupees, that complete 30 points will be collected.
Okay, and risk?
Okay, that's what I said. In this particular case, in this particular trade, my perception is that market is to stay below 39,000. Okay, so whatever we are selling is just extrinsic value. It doesn't have any intrinsic value. Now, if the market manages to pick above the 38,540 marks, 38,540 levels to be precise, there could be an upside move coming in, and then we'll be creating fresh longs, long side positions. So even if this like this to go in loss, the long side position should be able to compensate. So the risk of the long side positions would be the one what you would actually be taking if the price reverses down again. And
Okay, so
see,
here,
yeah. So this is just one part. So see, we are not going to put all our money in and just pray to God, okay, our view gets right. So what we are going to do is, our view is market is to go settle below 39K. So if market settles below 39K, we're going to make money. We're going to make 30-40 points. Okay. Now,
okay.
if the market is to go bullish, let's say above 39,500, above 38,500, Then we'll create fresh long positions, long side positions.
Okay.
Okay, so what will happen if markets are moving up? The long side positions will make money. But if market moves up but settles below 39K, what we are doing now will make money, and the long side positions that will also make money. Both will make money. On the other hand side, if the markets are to stay sideways or if the markets are to fall down, both cases 39K will make money. If market stays sideways, the long positions that we create will make neither profit nor loss. If market falls down, the long positions we make will lose money. This will make money. So the risk should be considered with respect to the long positions that we are going to take down.
Okay.
I think it's a bit complicated. I'll just tell you.
Yeah.
Okay. See, this is a spread. Okay. And this spread will become profitable as long as market settles below 39K. Okay. As long as market settles below 39K, this will be profitable. Even if market is going bullish, but it settles below 39K, this will be profitable. So you see these levels. Okay.
Yes.
These are some very good levels for Nifty. Sorry, Bank Nifty. 38, 500, 540 to be precise. Okay.
Mhm.
38, 500, 38, 540 are some significant resistance levels for Nifty. So if market
Okay.
picks above these levels, then we'll look out for long side positions. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to plan long positions in futures. Okay.
Okay.
So what will happen if market is picking up? The futures will make me money, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes.
at that point of time, this spread that we would have sold would be in a loss. But then if market picks up about 38,500, howsoever,
Okay.
if it settles below 39,000 tomorrow, I'll still be in profit.
Because of this spread.
Yeah, spread will still be in profit as long as market settles below 39.
Okay.
If market
And what is significance of selecting 40,000 C, like buying?
that is for margin benefit.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll be creating a long futures. If market is to pick up, long futures will make money. And if it settles below 39K tomorrow, this will also, both will be profitable. Got it.
Mhm.
Now, if market
Yes.
is to fall down, we won't be creating any long futures. Only this will be there. This will end up becoming profitable.
Perfect. Okay.
Okay. Long futures, we don't have to create. We won't do anything. If market is to say sideways, also we don't have to do anything.
Okay.
Only if market goes bullish, then you have to do this.
Okay.
And the risk associated with this, okay, the risk associated with this long futures is what we should be concerned about.
Mm-hmm.
You get that part. So what
Okay.
I'll be doing is here like we have actually pre-assumed a plan that okay, max to max we should be taking an upside risk of around how much? Around 50 points. Okay. That is like you'll be losing how much? 25 into 5, 12.5. You'll be losing something like a 12.5K. But we'll be having our compensation coming in terms of a long side position. Okay.
Mhm.
So that we can actually plan. So these things, to be pretty frank, this can't be explained like theoretically. You can understand. I'll show you how this can be done. So now you can see that over here also the margin requirement is actually how much? Is like 4.1 lakhs when we have around 12 lakhs in this account, right? So
Yes.
we can see it. Okay. So margin available is around 10. So we can actually see what can be done. So now if a rejection is coming in, so rejection is coming in. So can we go for a short now? Then we'll fight it. Then we'll try fighting it. Okay.
Yeah.
So here we have a rejection coming in. So friends, like yeah, I'm taking after a very long time, I'm punching a basket or in Saroda. So this is the yes, if I'm not buy like first, then then this 40K is below 10. That's 9.9. Okay, let's keep it 11. Okay, and over here we don't really like much of a slippage. It's come down to 47. Let's go with 45. Okay. We have a rejection coming in. Secure. Okay. So both legs have come in. This is like both things we have got. If you click on positions, you can see we have actually sold the 39,000 for 46, and we have actually bought the 40,000 call option for 9.9. So for now, we don't have to do anything. So we'll just see what happens. If market is to go bearish, as I mentioned, if market is to go bearish or if it is to stay sideways, we really won't have to do anything. If the market picks up, that is when we'll have to do something. Okay. As I mentioned to you, we'll create long side spreads or we'll create long side futures position. Market is to actually continue going bullish. Okay. But if market is to stay sideways, I'm fine with this range, anything, nothing has to be done. So I'll update you with that. So what are changes being made. So, okay. So anything else, any other queries? So right now, we are at a loss of 1,300. So we'll see what happens. If market is to stay sideways, then we'll if market is to fall down also, we'll be having an edge. Market is to pick up, then we'll think about creating long position. Okay. So any queries, anything you guys would like to ask?
Hi, good morning. Can I ask a question, sir?
Yeah, please, Nikhil.
So based on it's based on gap theory, but regarding order placing.
Based on gap theory, today also we had a gap down. Bank Nifty, Nifty both we had, but then risk reward wasn't favorable.
Yes. Yes.
So you can take
I
it.
understand. I
Okay.
understand that, sir.
Okay.
I just need to ask regarding order placing. Let's say theoretically speaking, there's a
Yeah. You can see. I would say now when you're getting started, you start with limit orders itself. Okay.
Okay.
Get started with limit orders itself sufficient.
I don't really understand futures and options right now, sir.
Forget
So
it. You just
if I want to sell a lot or buy a lot,
okay.
Right? What I don't know how to do it. Let's say in this case we were to just in this today's case, if risk and reward was satisfying, all the conditions were satisfying. I understand all the conditions which I will need to be satisfied. I just need to know how to select the lot.
Likes and all. See, we have to discuss that.
If I haven't discussed that, but I'm not able to place an order.
See, if we haven't discussed options with you, keep it aside. Okay, we'll discuss it with you, then it'll be clear for you. So this was a meeting generally for all the members, right?
Okay.
So if that part is not discussed, just keep it aside. Okay, don't worry. I'll be dealing it this weekend itself for you. This weekend we'll be looking into that. Okay, don't worry.
I'm not talking about the spread part, but if I
understood the basics of options is not clear for you. That's the thing, right? So we'll be discussing it this week. Don't worry about that. Okay.
Okay. All right, sir. Thank you.
So yes, so friends, like if we have some sort of a bullish side move coming in, that is when we'll have to manage the positions now. So I'll update you once we are bringing in any change. So for now, I think we can just wind up. So I'll just let you know. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.